Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a quick installation on the F1 rain light to the Golf. A lot of people have been asking how to do it, and there's not really too much information about how to fit it online, so I thought I'd quickly record bits of when I fitted mine. Essentially, the diffuser is going to stay in the middle. I drilled a hole straight into the diffuser there, and just fed the wire through. Once you feed it through, it comes out behind the diffuser, and you want to run it to the inside of the boot. So if you take off the paneling, you can see there's a little grommet there. Just slice it open and put a hanger through there. So as you can see here, you'll see it poke out in a sec. And then you want to tape the F1 light wire to that. That's just to like feed it up so that it comes out through the hole and into the boot. I do have a few extra wires there already because of the reverse camera, so you probably won't have that. But essentially, once you do that, you just want to run it to the tail light, and as you can see, that's all wired up. So to power it, you want to find out what wire comes on when you turn your daytime running lights on. To do this, you can use a multimeter, as it'll be different on all your cars. If you've got a Golf, you can follow this wiring. So the F1 light has 3 lights, red, black, and a yellow. The yellow one is only needed if you want it to come on or flash when you press the brakes. So if you want to do that, you attach it to the first wire, which I think is the red and black. That'll make it come on when you brake. And if you just want it to stay on normally when your rear lights come on, then you want to attach the red wire to the bluish one and the black wire to the brown one. Obviously test it all out before you wire it back up, and then simply just plug the light back in and pretty much good to go. I soldered it on for a better connection, and then you can wrap it in heat shrink or tape. I just did it in black tape because then I was going to put this electrical tape around it afterwards to make it look a bit more factory-like. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Super simple, and it looks pretty good in photos as well. If you did find the video helpful, be sure to drop a like rating and comment below if you have any questions or need help with anything. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it in the description below. It's rp_mark7. I've also made a website where I'll be posting all these modifications to the blog. You can check that out as well. I'll leave it in the description below as well. It's called www.cartalk, as in TORQUE.net. So yeah, make sure you check that out as well if you want to see any more car modifications.